Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the SIM fits your device and the carrier supports it. That's critical. Unlock or lock state matters, so check device settings for network locks. Once you have your MA, activation PIN, plan code, and valid ID, power on the device and insert the SIM. You'll see a startup prompt or SMS from Rain. Follow that prompt immediately. If no prompt appears, open the Rain activation app or portal. We move to the next steps now. You log into the Rain app or portal and select Activate SIM. That triggers the backend provisioning. Carefully type IMEI and ICSID. Mistypes cause failure, then enter your name, ID number, and address. Validation is often automatic. Next, choose your plan or top-up option and complete payment. Keep your receipt. The system will push the eSIM profile or OTA settings. Wait for confirmation. Once done, restart the phone and check signal bars. Make sure the APN is set correctly if data won't connect. You finish by rebooting the phone and confirming Rain appears as the network. Then place a test call and load a web page to verify. If mobile data fails, go to cellular settings and set the APN to the Rain profile or choose automatic. That resolves most issues. If activation still fails after 30 minutes, recheck IMEI and ICSID for transcription errors and try activation again. If persistent problems occur, contact Rain support. Have your IMEI, ICSID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.